Now terminology, now the equation becomes little bit more complex for you. Now see that how to write like a C is the ciphertext, we know it. E is the encryption rule, okay, encryption rule or the algorithm, and P is the plain text, and D is the decryption over there. So how you write it? You say that the encryption rule I apply on plain text, I will get the ciphertext, right? And the decryption rule I will apply on the plain text, okay, and I will get the plain text over there. So this is this. So how we write the crypto system? If you want to write a crypto system, we write in this format. So this is the full crypto system, that the encryption, I will encrypt the P, and then the decryption algorithm will decrypt the encrypted form, and I will get the plain text over there. So this is the full crypto system equation over there. So in one equation I can say many things over there. Now you understand what you mean by the C, E and the P over there. So in other words, we want to be able to convert the message to protect it from an intruder, but we also want to be able to get the original message back so that the receiver can read it properly. Now there is some other terminology that the crypto system, it involves some set of rules that how to encrypt the plain text and how to decrypt the ciphertext over there. Okay, so the encryption and decryption rules called algorithms often use a device called a key. So key is important, so that resulting ciphertext depending on the original text over there. Okay, so sometime we can write the equation as this one. Okay, so encryption of the plain text needs the key, okay, and then you will get the ciphertext over there. Okay, so the process is similar using the mass produced locks in a houses. Okay, so you have different locks in a houses and you have the keys for it. So sometimes you have the 2 keys, sometimes 3 keys. You can make a number of keys for that one. So expensive, every lock is designed separately. Okay, so it is expensive that if you lock every lock is separately. Few well-known companies produce standard locks that are different according to the key over there, right? So you can have a different key for the different purposes lock over there. So terminology is like further elaboration of cryptography. So it means it's the encryption of the sealed text. Cryptanalysis is the breaking, how to break the cryptography, hoping to find the hidden message over there. So a cryptographer is a person who encrypts and decrypts, and cryptanalysis is the one who attempts to break it, okay, to the original form over there. But a cryptographer normally works on the behalf of legitimate. He is the legal person. He has the key. Okay. But cryptanalysis is illegal, right? So it's on behalf of unauthorized interceptor over there. So cryptanalysis is illegal, while the cryptographer is a legal encryptor and decryptor for it. And what is cryptology? Cryptology is the research and the study of encryption and decryption. So it's the research on that one. It includes both cryptography and cryptanalysis over there.